Planning, budgeting, assembling irrigation parts, and picking the right plant material all can be overwhelming, especially when you're creating a new landscape from scratch. The good news is you don't have to do it alone. You can hire a professional contractor to do some or all of the work. Whatever you decide, put some of these tips in your hip pocket so you find the right contractor to give you the outcome you imagine. The Southern Nevada Water Authority can help you find a qualified landscaper through its Water Smart Contractor program. Water Smart contractors must complete the SNWA's water efficiency training and be licensed, insured, and in good standing with the State Contractors Board. More than 70 contractors participate in our program, giving you plenty of options when choosing one to work with. Each meets 14 performance and equipment standards. You can find a list of Water Smart contractors on our website at snwa.com. If you plan to hire a contractor, it pays to be a smart consumer when you sit down with an expert to explain your needs. Before you start calling around, review free sample designs and planning resources on our website. Sketch out ideas and make notes you can discuss when you interview contractors. Also, define your budget in advance and discuss costs up front when you seek bids. And always get more than one bid. Before you sign a contract, make sure all specifications, material lists, permits, fees, and labor charges are spelled out. Any changes you or the contractor make during the job should also be in writing. Examine plans for accuracy before you okay them, and if you live in a homeowners association, allow time to secure HOA approvals for your new design before any work is started. As the job progresses, keep a file that includes all estimates, signed contract, and as-built drawings indicating changes to the original design, and warranties. If problems arise, these records may protect you. Helpful local resources include the Better Business Bureau and the Nevada State Contractors Board. When the job wraps up, your landscaper should explain how new irrigation components work and provide you with manuals and warranties to keep. Now's the time to ask questions about how to care for your new plants. Whether you'll do this yourself or hire a maintenance service, you're still the water customer of record, meaning you're responsible for complying with mandatory watering restrictions.